All right, boys and girls, what we have here is a very, very, very dirty car. Look at all this dust, fingerprints everywhere. This thing is nasty. It's got pollen on it, dust, gravel dust. Look at that. What a dirty car. So we're gonna try to fix that problem with this Cleetus McFarland car wash Silky soap and this awesome mitt that they sell you with the kit. This thing is really soft. Man, it's gonna be nice. So hopefully this will not scratch this black paint job. We're gonna wash the car up with this and then we'll see what it looks like. Now, something that's super cool about this bottle is that you can just measure it out right here. All you have to do is squeeze it and you can see that it'll fill this little reservoir up. It's marked 1/2 ounce or 1 ounce, and you can get exactly the amount of soap that you want to put in there. Or if you want to, dump a whole bunch into the bucket, you got a graduated thing here on the side of the bottle. And of course you can just pour it out the old-fashioned way too if you want. Got my lovely trash can workstation here. So the wash mitt is awesome. This thing is really soft and it doesn't look like it did any swirling or scratching at all, and it lathers up really great. This is probably one of the nicest wash mitts that I've ever seen. I'm gonna make sure that I've got it all dry before I put it away though. Good idea to do that. And the car wash soap did a good job too. This camera that I'm using currently is terrible. Got a new one on order. Look how shiny she is now. So I really like this stuff. I think it's going to be a great option for cleaning the old girl up this year.